Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices. And today I have maybe not 100%, probably more like 95% what this next weekend's Memorial Day deal will be. Now, it's from a decent source. I don't want to show it. I mean, if you've been watching my channel, you probably know where it's from. I just don't want to lose this source for any reason. But the source essentially says that it's going to be the same as last year. And so I will share last year's Memorial Day sale because essentially it's going to be the same thing. So it looks like, again, allegedly, this next weekend, starting Friday, these dates are for last year. Today's the 19th, which means the sale will start the 23rd, so pretty close, and we'll go through Monday the 26th. And it's going to be 10% for everyone. Everyone will save 10% off any single item. It will kind of go over the old fine print, but 10% off any single item, which is decent. I know we've gone over that before, where 10%, 15%, you want to target the items that don't go on sale too often or that don't go on sale. And that tends to be the new tools. So we'll take a look at some of the new tools. But if you're ITC, it's going to be the 20% off of any single item. Now, of course, we had this last year. There was, I believe, a 20% off coupon back in January. It was 20% off of any item. This would have been bad, yeah, back at end of January of this year. But here we are in May. So these only happened, this has been about 5 months since it's happened, and a year before, or 5 months before that. So about a year, 20% off for ITC members. Save more in-store only, any single item. And let's just take a refresher of what the fine print said last year. Is limit 1 usage per customer per day, valid in store and on in-stock items only for existing and new Inside Track Club members. Save 20% on any single item purchase. Discount applied at register. Coupon cannot be used with any of the following ITC memberships, extended service plans, open box items, gift cards, or prior purchases. Coupon cannot be combined with other discounts or promotions, including Inside Track Club member-specific pricing. If applicable, the greater of 2 discounts will apply. No cash or credit back. Other restrictions apply. Again, this is the flyer from last year, Memorial Day weekend, 4 days, but about a 90-95% chance that that's going to be the sale this year, which I think is pretty good. So let's look at some of the possibilities. Oh, and they're starting some promotions for Father's Day gift guide. We'll just take a brief look at this. Father's Day is June 15th for everybody out there, if you don't remember. And there's a gift guide here. And hopefully they'll have some good deals to go along with this gift guide. But anyways, for the 10% off and for the 20% off, new tools tend to be the best if there's something that you're considering getting, because there are some new tools that have gone up in price, but they tend to not have any discounts for them, although there is the oddball exception. So we do have some new tools. This Berger's 160-pound rated duty on-off welding magnet, large 8,000 lumen motion sensor shop light for $25. This Hallmaster 5x10-foot custom modular utility trailer top rail system. Wasn't aware that this wasn't out yet, but it is showing as new for $230. The Thunderbolt Solar 10-watt solar trickle charger for $40. This item, which has been going back and forth. I know I posted it in one of my thumbnails about a week ago, and I had questions about it, and it wasn't on the site. It got taken off the site, but it's back on the site now. It's the Bauer Benchtop router table at $140. If you get this ITC 20% off, you'll get this for $140 off. Well, $140 with 20% off. Get it for $112. So you're saving almost $30, which is pretty decent. 20% off. 20% off is in the it's in the buy zone, almost in the must buy zone of 25% off or more. But 20% off is excellent because you get to choose any tool to get that off of. But again, this Bauer Benchtop router table is now out. There's this Warrior Metric drill tap deburr bit set, 13 piece for $20. One Stop Gardens LED solar post cap lights 2-pack. This Pittsburgh 2-inch 6-foot 2,000-pound capacity web lifting sling in purple for $10, and the rest look like These new tools have been out for a bit. And of course, if you're shopping all brands, if you're looking at some of the more pricey items, there's the Central Machinery 8 horsepower towable backhoe. I believe this comes with the Predator engine. There's no picture of it. Oh, here it says 301cc Predator engine. Backhoe for $3,000. This, I don't think I've ever seen on sale. Correct me if I'm wrong. But if you get this at 20% off, you're saving $600 and you're getting it for $2,400. So still a little bit steep, but that's a backhoe. That's a backhoe you're buying for $2,400. So $600. As good as this gets, unless you sign up for Harbor Freight through email and you get that lucky 25% off any single item. Those are rare and few and far between, and I've only seen new sign up members get those. So maybe use a new email to sign up for a 25% off coupon, which they'll send to you probably in a few months. But so there's this $3,000, $600 off. The Icon 73-inch by 25-inch professional roll cab. Same price as the backhoe. You'd get $600 off, and so on and so forth. But if you're asking me, this might be the time to get some of these G2 ratchets at 20% off. You're going to be saving, or you could even get these sets. The Icon 3/8-inch drive SAE and metric set. It's at $160. And you get it for about $128, so saving $32 there. The G2 half-inch drive 26-inch log with the comfort grip at $120. You'd be saving $34, so you'd be getting it for less than $100, and then so on and so forth. So I won't go too deep into the price history just because this sale isn't necessarily confirmed, but there's a really good source, and this is most likely the deal. Would make sense. They did it last year already. And look out for it. Memorial Day sale this coming weekend. It'll be May 23rd to May 26th. Either way, I hope you find these rumors helpful. I'm pretty confident, but I've been confident before, and the Harbor Freight has changed things up. But if you do find this helpful or at least exciting, please consider liking and subscribing. Let me know what you'd consider getting. Is this any good or is this not good? I mean, last year there was no tariff, so it was good last year. So I feel like it's still good this year. Either way, happy Harbor Freighting. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.